Go, Kuya Bray. So, ayan, nakita ni Bray dito habang kumakain kami. Gusto niya maglaro dito. Sa tram.
Sakay-sakay talaga to.
Yeah. Yun, nag-gown-gown pa siya, oh. Wow! You want me to remove that? Asan na si Brayden? Mahilig mag... Ito talaga yung happiness nila eh. Playground. Whoa! Go, Kenny. Happy ang mga bata. Umiyak siya kanina kasi hindi niya ako nakita. Umupo lang ako sa gilid. I miss mommy. You miss mommy? Kala niya iniwan siya eh. Look, oh. What? Go, Kenny! It's not high. It's not high. It's just there, oh. Go na. Yay! You wanna go back to the hotel now? Go na. You can do it. Diyan ka pa dumaan. See? It's not high. You did it. Yee. You just went there? Huh? Why? Why? Huh?
It's not high.
It's not high. Kaya magsuswimming kami, pare-pares kami sila ng damit. Si Kendall, kaparehas ko ng swimsuit.
Using it. We're the same. Look. Look at Daddy. And Mommy.
Buti kasi itong swimsuit.